I'm really excited. I've never used a printer with this much detail before, and it looks absolutely awesome. I think we need to go and clean it off and see what we've actually got. The cleaning process for this printer is completely different to anything I've ever used before, but it is a lot easier and a lot cleaner. And the parts you end up getting tend to be a lot higher detail. So I've just taken the part off of the build platform, you can see right here. The next step is to wash it off in IPA to remove any of the excess resin that's left on the part. It's quite simple, all you do is dunk it in, give it a rinse, and use a stiff brush to wash off any of the excess resin. Now that the part has been cleaned off, all we need to do is put it in the UV oven for an hour to let it harden, and then it will be a completely functioning part. So this part has just finished its hour-long cure in the oven. All we need to do now is remove all the support material and then we'll have a fully finished part. So I've just finished removing all the support material using my snips here. Suffice to say, I'm really impressed. The whole process from loading the 3D model onto the printer to cleaning up the print has been really simple and hassle-free. One of the reasons I designed this part in the first place was to test the capabilities of our new printer. I honestly didn't think it was going to work as well as it did, and I didn't think it was going to look this good. I can't really say anything more about it. I'm really impressed.